I start off by adding about 1 tablespoon of oil into a pot or a pan, and I add some sliced onions. I would saute the onions a little bit, and I would go ahead and add my leftover stew base. The stew base has a lot of tomatoes and onions and spices already, so I'll go ahead and add my tomato sauce. Here I'm adding tomato sauce and not tomato paste because I have tomato paste in the stew already. And I'm adding some rosemary and some paprika and some crayfish powder or herrings powder. I love that because I don't use any seasoning cube in my food, and that helps to give a lot of flavor to my dish. So I'll go ahead and add some shrimp. The shrimp is cooked already. And add some water. I'm using 2 cups of rice per 2 cups of water. So I would add some salt to taste. And here I'm stirring it all together and cover it up until it starts to boil. I will leave it to boil for about 5 more minutes from the time it starts to boil. So I am sure that I am thickening the liquid for the dish to be more delicious and flavorful. And I'm adding some rice. The rice that I'm adding, I wash the rice. So based on the rice that you are using, you have to check the instruction if you need to wash the rice or not. Stir in the rice and make sure it's well mixed, and cover it up for about 5 to 10 minutes under low heat until the water gets absorbed and the rice starts to get tender. After some few minutes, you can check and see if your rice is tender enough, and check for doneness. So here I'm checking for doneness, and my rice is perfect. It came out so nice, and it's not soaky, it's not mushy, it's just right. And it came out so delicious.